Machines and robots are taking over. There will be fewer and fewer jobs that a robot cannot do better. That's Elon Musk. And Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, warns that the entire job categories are about to vanish. Customer service already being automated. Basic coding next in the line. So the question is clear. Will AI take all your jobs, or is there more to the story?
Respected tech CEO Dario Amodei, who heads a cutting-edge AI company called Anthropic, is raising alarms tonight about AI's potential impact on employment that could soon be felt.
And some economists say businesses are now replacing entry-level jobs with artificial intelligence.
Recent analysis from investment firm Goldman Sachs looked at the global impact and found AI could replace 300 million full-time jobs.
Artificial intelligence will lead to a reduction of its corporate workforce immensely.
Goldman Sachs says 300 million jobs worldwide are exposed to AI automation. The World Economic Forum predicts 83 million job loss by 2027. Imagine that entire industry is shaken in just few years. And Dario Amodei, CEO of Anthropic, even described it as a white-collar bloodbath. Jobs we thought were safe, like lawyers, analysts, junior programmers, journalists, are suddenly at risk. But here's where it gets interesting. The same World Economic Forum report that warns 83 million job loss also predicts 69 million new jobs created. McKinsey says 800 million people may need to change their job by 2030. If economies grow, we could end up with more jobs than ever before. And here's the twist most headlines ignore. AI doesn't replace entire jobs overnight. It replaces tasks. Research shows less than 5% of the jobs can be fully automated, but about 60% have third of the tasks that can be. That's a real story. Google's Sundar Pichai admits disruption is coming. Writers, accountants, architects, software developers, their work will be disrupted. But in the same breath, he calls AI a super-powered assistant. At Google, coders use AI, became dramatically more productive, and that actually created more demand for skilled workers. Andrew, one of the AI's pioneers, puts it bluntly. AI won't replace people. People who use AI will replace people who don't. Now, let's talk about India. On one side, millions of jobs, outsourcing and support jobs at risk from the very tools companies are adopting. And on the other side, opportunity. Brain & Company predicts 2.3 million AI-related jobs in India by 2027. Data scientists, machine learning engineers, AI project managers, high-paying roles with not enough talents to fill them. So the challenge isn't too many people losing jobs. It's not enough people trained for the new ones. Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI will absolutely eliminate millions of jobs, but it will also create millions more. The danger is the gap. Workers may not have right skill in the right place at the right time. That's why Elon Musk talks about universal basic income. Bill Gates suggests a robot tax to support displaced workers. And IMF warns, mishandle this transaction and inequality could explode. So, will AI take all jobs? Probably not. But it will take the jobs of people who ignore it. The winners of tomorrow are not those who resist AI. They are the ones who learn to work with it. Because the future is not human versus AI. The future is humans with AI. If you got value from this video, please hit like and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what do you think about AI? Your likes, comments, support really motivate us to keep creating meaningful content. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.